Class 3A, semifinal, 138 pounds. Josiah Gonzalez, Fort Lupton. Jason Soto, Pablo Centennial. Mat number 12, 138.
Mat 5A classification, 132 pounds, semifinal bout. Matthew Clifton, Legacy. Elijah Banks, Pine Creek, 132 pounds, Mat 5.
Reaching. For class 2A, 138 pounds. Semifinal, Tyler Vara, Highland. Trace Brezendine, Holly. Mat 4, 138 pounds.
In the girls division, 130 pounds, 5A, Mat 10. Semifinal bout, Keegan Miller, Pine Creek, Violet Gray, Grand Junction Central, 130 pounds, Mat 10.
Yes! Yes! Take it!
Semifinal 140. Vivian Ginty, Strasburg.
Good stuff on
Kara Donovan, Manitou Springs.
God damn it, that was such a good shot.
Semifinal 140 girls.
Up and out! Let's go! That's it!
11, class 3A, 144 pounds, semifinal. Kaden Martinez, Moffat County. Isaiah Gallegos, Jefferson. Mat 11,
Get up!
44, semifinal.
The 5A classification on Mat 6, 138 pounds. Semifinal bout, Angel Solano, Pomona.
Ollie!
Ponderosa, 138 pounds on Mat 6. In the girls division, on Mat 10, 135 pounds, 5A.
Give him a fucking count!
Scott Chatfield, Aubrey, Renteria, Brighton, 135 pounds on Mat 10.
Ollie, call it! God damn it.
Now wrestling at Mat 2, girls division, 135 pounds. Semifinal, Faith Barbie, Severance. Kenna Pino, Club Rose Central. Mat 2, girls semifinal, 135.
Then number 9, 5A girls, 135, semifinal. McKenna Heston, Columbine girls. Laura Hens, Thornton High School, at number 9.
down. Don't get up yet. Sit. What the fuck they doing? Walk in front of me.
Now we're going to race along mat 4, class 2A, semifinal, 150 pounds. Aaron Valadez, center. Kevin Cisneros, Monte Vista. Mat 4, semifinal, 150 pounds.